Hey guys, my name is Riley Frizzell, and I study mechanical engineering and modern languages with an emphasis in Spanish. Last year, I had the privilege of studying abroad in Concepcion, Chile, at la Universidad de Concepcion. Here, I had the opportunity to act as an engineering consultant for Vital Signs Laboratory, a research group within UDEC's architecture faculty. The title of my presentation is The Simultaneous Development of Global Citizenship in a Low-Cost Air Filtration Device. Vital Signs Laboratory supports research focused on health and wellness, indoor air quality, and the use of energy. A wide majority of public buildings in Concepcion lack central heating, air conditioning, and even ventilation systems. This lack of air movement, especially in public spaces such as classrooms and offices, can cause long-term respiratory complications and affects our overall performance capability. The most common method of ventilation then is to open windows and promote airflow this way. However, during the winters, it gets very cold and rainy in Concepcion, making it uncomfortable to have the windows open. The goal of my main project, titled Project Reveal, was to design, build, and test a low-cost alternative to inline HVAC systems. Our intent was to create a publicly accessible template designed with locally resourced materials to allow anyone in the community to be able to build and introduce this device to a needing environment. Over 7 months from our initial concept generation through several rounds of design iterations, we completed the construction of a functional prototype. In the top left corner, you can see two configurations of our air filtration boxes. In the final week of my stay, we began setting up and calibrating equipment at an elementary school for experimental trials. While working with VSL, I was approached by another professor looking for assistance with her project. This project was investigating the weather tightness of certain buildings' construction. The tool you see is used to conduct what is called a blower door test. This test allows a room to be pressurized or depressurized in order to evaluate air leakage. I was asked to learn, create instructions for, and then teach the professor how to use the Retrotech blower door. We then ran an experiment at another school. In the picture is a sealed room that we filled with a fog machine. Then using the blower door to pressurize the room, we were able to identify leakage area and locations. Outside of my research, I spent time immersing myself in the community. I was able to explore the beauty that is the environment and culture of Concepcion. From week-long Independence Day festivities, basketball tournaments, and rock and roll concerts, countless sobremesas, and so much more, I watched not only my Spanish proficiency improve, but I recognized an entirely new level of cultural awareness. If you're curious for more details on my research, the gorgeous places I got to visit, or what I gained in intercultural competence as a global citizen, I invite you to come find me at Summit. I can't wait to see you there.